Good morning friends and welcome back to another vlog. It's Friday morning and it is currently 20 past 8. I woke up at about 6:30 and then I read in my bed for an hour and then I got up at 8. Got dressed and went for a run. I really need to get back into routine with running, especially now that soccer season started. I want to be as fit as I can, so hopefully runs make a comeback. But I'm all hot and sweaty, so I'm gonna have a shower and then I'll tell you my plans for the rest of the day. I just made my breakfast. I have 2 poached eggs on toast. The eggs don't look too great and I have some orange juice, and I'm gonna sit down and I'm gonna watch Zoella's new vlog because her vlogs are actually my favorite. Oh yeah. Currently 10:45 and I've had such a productive morning. So I got up, you saw, I went for a run, I then showered, and then I put my pajamas back on because why not. I then edited for a little bit. I got all of my moving vlogs up, which is so exciting. I've almost finished editing my first vlog back from moving vlogs, so just my first regular vlog. Then I stopped editing for a little bit and had some breakfast. Then I've just come back and I'm still editing. I need to get ready for work at 12 and it's almost 11, so I have another hour of editing to get done. But I have work today from 1 until 6, and then after work I think I'm gonna go to my parents' house because mum texted me saying that I have 2 packages there. She said 1 big one and 1 little one, and I think I know what the little one is, but I have no idea what the big one is. But then tonight I'm just gonna come home and have a really early night because I have a massive day tomorrow, but I'm gonna talk about that later. Thanks for dinner. Hello. This is mine. Hello. I'm in my pajamas. I got home and I'm like instantly in my pajamas. So I went to my parents' house and picked up my package, and then they were like, oh, we're going to dinner. And then Alex was like, and you're coming. So we had dinner and then I came home. It is now almost 9 and I need to be in bed soon. I told you guys this morning I had no idea what these packages were. I had a little idea of what a little one was, but I had no idea, and now I realized that it's a clothing order and I'm very excited about it. I never get clothes. By the way, I'm in Rachel's filming room and she's sitting here right here because she loves clothes and wants to see my clothes.
I love clothes!
Are you sure your stuff is going to your house?
Yeah, this is yours.
Oh no, I'm so sorry. No, that's okay. Just kidding. So if you're a bit confused before, the package that I thought was a clothing package for me was actually an order for Rachel that was shipped to my address. It'll make sense when you see the video. The video is going up on Rachel's channel. I'll let you know when it goes up because I think it'll be a really fun video that we're going to film together. But it is now like past 10 p.m. and I really want to be in bed by 10. I feel like living with my friends has like ruined my sleeping schedule because I just want to be up and hang out with them all the time. But I really need my sleep because I need to be up before 6 a.m. tomorrow, so I'm gonna go to bed and I'll talk to you tomorrow. It's currently 7:10 on Saturday morning, and I'm at work 20 minutes early. Basically, our garage was like half full of all these cardboard boxes and our recycle bin was full. So I filled up my car as much as I could with all of the cardboard, and then in the center I work at, because I work in the center, I know where the bins are and you don't need a key for the recycle bin. So I just went and dumped it all in the recycle bin. There's still some boxes at the house, but not as many as there were before. So that's really good. I'm glad that like I can park my car in there with no issue. I left home like 15 minutes earlier than usual, and now I'm just gonna have to sit in my car for 20 minutes until I need to go into work, which is fine. So I have work from 7:30 until 2, and then I'm gonna go straight from work to my soccer game, which starts at 3. I'm hoping my game finishes at like 4:30 because then I need to come home, shower, get ready, and Julia is coming and picking me up and we are going to the circus. Woo! Julia and I went and saw The Greatest Showman a little while ago, and after it finished, Julia was like, oh, this like makes me want to go to the circus again. Like this makes me miss going to the circus. And I was like, oh my gosh, I've never been to the circus. And she was like, okay, we're going. And then like a week later, she like sent me all the info. Was like, this is how much it costs, this is where it is, the date, blah blah blah, and like organized it completely. And I was like, sweet, transferring you the money right now. I'm really excited, and I'm really excited to see Julia as well. Yeah, it's a go day. I'm gonna go to work and I'll talk to you later. I'm an oily gal, and now I'm gonna drive to my soccer game and jam out to some Khalid on the way. In your heart, keep me in your mind. I've been seeing angels in my living room. Why is fuel so expensive right now? It actually makes me really upset. This lighting is just 10 out of 10. I just finished my soccer game. It's now 4:40. Oh, never mind. Lol. Okay, lol, sorry, one of my teammates pulled up next to me and I just, nope, not about that. Basically, that was just like a friendly game. Our actual games start next week, but just to like get our team in the groove of playing together and like learning our positions and stuff, we played a friendly against another team in our same club, if that makes sense. So we're in Div 2 and the team we verse are in Div 1, so they're better than us, obviously. I think we lost like 3 or 4-0, which like isn't an issue. I normally play center mid and my coach has put me in center back just to like play around with positions and stuff, but I hope he changes his mind and puts me back in center mid because I had no idea what I was doing. But like it went okay. It was good to be back. While I was driving here and when I was like getting ready and stuff and walking onto the field, I was like, why did I sign up for soccer again? Why did I do this? But then when I got on the field and started playing, like I'm really glad I signed up. This is like my one separate thing that like is just mine, if that makes sense. I don't really know, but I'm really hot and sweaty now, so I need to go home, have some dinner, shower before Julia comes and picks me up. What? We found the circus. That looks so cool.
Thank you.
Look how close we are. Oh my goodness. Ah. What do you think of the circus?
I'm highly disappointed.
We left halfway through.
We didn't even survive an hour.
They had intermission, which I was really surprised that they had intermission because it's like a circus. Like, just keep going. But
Nothing happens for them to need intermission.
yeah, so they're like, oh, we have intermission, we'll be back in 15, and we left.
See ya.
We're tired, we're going to bed. It's
They
like 8
thought
PM.
that talent was doing one somersault.
Literally.
Like one, like Sarah's Day can do. And doing a little foot that Sarah's Day can do.
On
Except
a
she can do it
white
better.
sheet.
Yeah, this guy literally looked like he was getting it on with a mat. I was like...
Good time. I'm now home from the circus. Rachel, Julia and I just sat on our couch talking for like an hour, I think. But it's now 10 PM and I'm literally so tired that I'm gonna put my pajamas on and go to sleep. Except someone's on my bed. Okay, good night. Good morning, friends. It is Sunday today. I went to bed at 11:15 and I really just need to stop going to bed so late. In my opinion, 11 PM is late for me and I really just need to stop going to bed at like 11 and getting up at like 6. Like, it's an issue. So last night before I went to bed, I closed my blinds and I didn't set any alarms and I was like, just let your body wake up when it wants to wake up. So I ended up waking up at 7. It's just been a week of feeling very exhausted but also loving life. But yeah, it's Sunday today and I have 0 plans for today. And I might be hanging out with my brother. I might be going and seeing my grandma. So it's now a lot later. It is 10 to 1. I can't even remember what I told you this morning. Have I told you?
Really fast one.
Yeah, I'm not yeah. It's my one day off. Chill. Bryce is on his way over here. We don't know what we're gonna do yet. We might go to my grandma's and have lunch, but I'm like about to eat right now. So that's my food stuff. Thanks. Get you a housemate that gives you cookies. So Bryce and I, we're either gonna go to KMART, either gonna go to my grandma's. We can do both. Do whatever we want. I'm gonna eat my food toast now. Hello.
Yes,
Hello. This kid just bought a new phone. He went from an iPhone to a Samsung. So everyone leave mean comments about him in the comments. Oh yeah. Our trolley is slowly filling, my trolley. These are my things. These are Bryce's things. But it's filling up. I did my best. Same. I got the black leather board in this one for my bedroom. I'm really excited about it. I get to now go around the house and put everything where I want them. So enjoy this montage. It's currently 10 p.m. and I am in bed. I'm so happy to be going to bed before 11. I'm so excited. I actually had a really productive day. I got all of my things on my to-do list done while having fun and getting to hang out with my brother and my housemates. It was a really good time. My room is coming together and I'm really happy with it. But yeah, I'm gonna go to sleep. So I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. If you did, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And I'll see you in my next video in the very near future. Bye!